style of thinking that I would like us to look at quickly, simply because you can use it anywhere, in every area of your life, for your parents, family, and so on and so on. But I just want us to employ it simply because we are going to the examination. When you study also, please think about it. There is what you call optimistic style of thinking versus pessimistic. Are we together? Hello? Now, these two, you need to understand them. Because you can see the result of a person, especially those who are in leadership, of a person who's an optimistic thinker or a pessimist. Let me tell you something. I'm using this stick. I came at TUT using this stick. I got injured a long time ago when I was 15 years old. I was living in KZN in Kwamashu. Somebody was pumping bullets in a dead tiny body. But what happened, I came to a point where I make a decision. My mother was telling me that now you cannot go and look for a job like anybody does. You see people go to the firm and the gate and all that. I was told that you can't do that anymore. In other words, you must sit down and study. It was painful. I had to change friends. I had to change environment because of the violence that was taking place. I then get a boarding school. I studied. I pushed myself. I remember going to one Indian doctor, old man, saying the same thing. I was having a flu. And then he said, again, you can't look for a job like anybody else. You must work hard. In other words, you must study. You must be resourceful so that you will earn a better salary in the future. Now, I took this advice. I was not pessimistic. I was optimistic. I was able to listen and follow the guidance of the people ahead to say, this is what I have to do. And I had no time. I had to work hard as much as I can. I made it. Through being an optimistic thinker, even yourself, you can put your problem back behind, focus to your studies, focus to yourself. And a pessimistic and an optimistic thinker is somebody who doesn't look for problems, who looks for solutions.